What you got right there?
This is an anti-cavitation plate.
And what you gonna do with it?
Install it on there. What is going on? I'm Mark, and that's Coots, and we build solar power boats to go on adventures and clean up garbage along the way.
The main reason that we got that anti-cavitation plate is because of the little whirlpools that we create with the motor. Either going forward or reverse, it can cause these things. You can see them start to pop up right there. They're not good for the propeller. We're hoping the anti-cavitation plate will remedy that. Ooh, there's a good one.
Made out of metal. It's got 4 holes. We have no clue what they're for. It's got this little thing that goes around the motor like that. We don't know if this is up or down, but we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna put it right above this black rubber seal. That way it will be out of the way from the propeller. It comes with all these sticky stickers. So you're gonna pull those off. This, it did not come with instructions, so we're just gonna wing it. We're gonna install it like this, instead of like that, just because we kind of both agreed on it. That thing up there good?
Looks snug.
You got your 2 bolts, 1 and 2. Let's go test it out.
Time to take this thing back where it belongs. You ready for this?
I am nervous, man.
Oh, here it comes.
I hope to God the ramp doesn't break. Welcome to Money Pit Boy.
Oh my God.
Oh, there's gotta be an easier way than this. Oh.
Should I just clamp this thing somewhere?
Yes.
You can hold it there for a sec.
Yeah, I'm good right now. Thanks to this new anti-cavitation plate. I mean, I got it, but don't take your time. So I just got this thing on here all by myself. That thing's on there. All right. We got the motor back on, but before we could test it, we had to hook everything back up. Want to give us a turn on the steering wheel? Test it out. Oh yeah. How you doing in here, Coots? Booyah! We are off on our main voyage with the anti-cavitation plate.
Look at it, anti-cavitating away. So the motor mount is set all the way up. That's interesting. Flow of the water seems to push the cavitation plate up. Good. There's something subtly different. I was trying to figure out how the plate was responsible for that. It's not the plate, it's the removed wobble. You can feel a difference.
It's awesome.
It feels so much smoother.
It does sound like there's like a, hear the noise?
Sure. Nope, that has nothing to do with the sound.
Give it a little bit of throttle. Okay, give it a little more. Okay, go a bunch. Okay. Yeah, there's no wobble. We also did a bunch of tests at different speeds, and it looks like our new upgrade's working pretty good. Dude, it's so much more smooth.
Oh yeah, you can feel it so much when steering too.
Now that we have the anti-cavitation plate, we're gonna 0 to 100 test, see how long it takes.
Punch it, Chewy, because he's hairy. He said that was exhilarating. 16 seconds. So click right here because we think we can get the boat up to speed even faster by fixing another huge problem. And thanks for watching.
Thank you. Click, 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 click.
You get to shoveling.
No!